Hello, Namaskara students. I hope everyone is able to hear me. So, welcome to the series of 45 days Navodaya crash course, and this is our ninth class, right? So, yesterday what did we study? We studied the solution of previous year paper, right? Today also we'll do one more paper of Navodaya. Okay, so let me know in the comments. Is everyone able to hear me? Yes. Hmm. Okay, just a minute. Let me verify once. Okay. Yes, it's audible, right? Okay. Everyone like the video and share with your family members so that it reaches many of your friends. Okay. Okay, good. So here what we will be doing now, that is we will be solving the question paper and then we'll discuss the solutions of that. Okay. Okay, good. So we'll be solving today 2022 paper. Which paper? 2022 paper. Okay. Okay, so just a minute. Okay, so can everyone see the 2022 paper? Yes. Okay, good. So this is the 2022 paper and we'll see the solution of this. Okay, so see here. Okay. So I will discuss all of it, that is maths first. Okay, I'll discuss the maths. So this is the maths section. In this we'll be solving the questions now. So the first question 41, what is it? So on selling a pen for 800 rupees, a woman gains 200 rupees. Cost price of the pen is. So the question is what? So if you see here, on selling a pen for 800 rupees, the gain is how much? 200, right? So gain means that is the profit. So selling price is 800 rupees and the profit is how much? That is 200 rupees. So what will be the cost price? Cost price is selling price minus profit, right? So it will be how much? So that is 800 minus 200, it will be 600 rupees is our cost price. Option A is the answer. Okay, so tell me, is it audible to everyone? Yes. Okay, good. So let me just adjust my sound. Yes, that is the answer, option A. Okay. Okay, good. So this is the 2024 paper, that is 2022 paper, right? So this is 2022 paper. Okay. Okay, good. So now let us do the next question, that is second question. So what will be the answer of the second question, students? Tell me, everyone. So now let me solve the second question. So they are asking decimal equivalent of 12 and 1 by 6. 12 and 1 by 6, what will be the decimal equivalent? Okay. So here if you see, the answer will be what? 12 and 1 by 6 means 12 and point. 12 point will come something. So what is that something? We'll see here. So if you divide with 6, 6 is, then 1 is smaller, so 0 point we have to take, so 10 it will become. So 6 ones are 6, right? So 6 ones are 6 here. So it will be remaining 4. So 4 means 40, 6 6 are 36, right? 6 6 are 36. So it will be 12.016, that is 12.16 answer, right? 12.16. Okay, 12.16, there is no answer, right? So you make it as 12.16 here, option C. So that is the answer, option C, because there is no answer here. Okay, got it? So answer will be option, you change this option C. Okay, so 12.16 answer. Sorry, here there is a, okay, so there is a little change, that is 12 and 1 by 16 it is, right? So we have taken it as 1 by 6. So 12 and 1 by 16 here. Okay, so now you have to cancel. So 16 means, if you take, what will happen, 1 is smaller, so 0 point, and then 1 0 if you take, it will become 10. Again it is smaller, means we have to give one more 0. So it will be 100. 16 6 are 96. So 12.06 will be the answer here in this, right? So 12.06 means, which is the answer, option C, 12.06. So that is answer, option C will be the answer. Okay, okay, good. So now solve the 43rd question. I will give a minute and tell me the answer. Okay, now let me do the 43rd question. Okay, so what is the 43rd question now? The value of this we have to find. So in the bracket, 20 divided by 5, right? So 20 divided by 5 means, what answer will come? So I will do it with the shortcut. Okay, so 20 divided by 5 here. So 20 divided by 5 means 5 fours are 20 here. Okay, and then here how much? 8 twos are 16, and then 5 twos are 10. So that is next step what I will write. So here first 4 is there, right? So this 4 divided by 2, so divided by 2, and then next is plus 2 into 2, right? So plus 2 into 2, and then plus 2 into 3 plus 2, right? Plus 2 into 3 plus 2. So 4 by 2 is 2 answer, 2 twos are 4. So here 2 twos are 4 here, plus 2 into 3 plus 2, 5. 5 twos are 10. So 10 if you add them all, so 16 will be the answer. Option is option C for the 43rd. Yes, everyone is able to do. Very easy question. Okay, Okay, good. Now let us go to the next 44 question. So sum of two numbers is 2020. If one number is thrice the other, sum of the digits of the greater number they are asking. So what we will do, we will take 44 question as, so one number as x. The second number will be, first number as x means second number is thrice, means 3 times. So 3x, it will be 3x. Okay. So thrice means 3x. So total sum is how much? 2020. So x and 3x is 20. So 4 times x will be 2020. So one time if you want to find, so 4 times will be 2020, and one time if you want to find 2020 divided by 4. So what answer will come? 4 5s are 20, 0, and 4 5s are 20. So 505. Okay. So they are asking greater number. Which is the greater number? So greater will be 3 times, right? Greater will be here 3 times. Okay. So 3 times of 505 means 1515, right? 1515. What are the digits now? 1515. So 1515, if you add those digits, what will be the sum? So sum of digits. Okay, sum of digits, 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 5. So it will be how much? That is 12. Answer option C here, right? So that is the answer option C will be the correct. Okay, good. So that is how you have to do. Now 45th question. So one of the complementary angle is double the other. The difference is, right? So one of the complementary angle is double the other. So the difference is they are asking. So write it down. Nothing you have to worry, right? So one angle, let us take first angle x. Second angle is double. One of the complementary angle is double of the other, right? So if it is double of the other, so one is x means second will be 2x. So we have to find the difference of them. So that will be 3x. So x plus 2x, both if you add it will be 90 degree. So x will be here 1 time, here 2 time, 3 times x will be 90 degree. So 3 times x is 90 degree means x angle will be 90 by 3. So that is 33 is a 90. So 30 degree, right? So one angle is 30 degree. Other angle will be 2 times. So first angle we got, it has x means that is 30 degree. So second angle will be what? Tell me. Second angle will be 2x, 2 times, right? So that is 60 degree. So 32 is a 60. So difference of them will be, if you minus 60 minus 30 will be 30 degree, right? So 30 degree is the answer. So that is the correct answer for 45, 30 degree. So which is the answer? Option A. Answer option A is the correct. Okay, got it? Okay, good. So now let us do 46. LCM of 25, 45 and 75. So what will be the answer? If you divide by 5, 25, 45 and 75. 5 if you divide, 5 5s are 25, 5 9s are, and 5 15s are. And then again we can divide with 5, 5 1s are 9 as it is, 5 3s are 15. Again we can divide with 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So 3 again it will come 1 1 and 1. So if you multiply 5 5s are 25, 25 3s are 75, 75 3s are how much? 75 3s is 225. So that is the LCM how much? 225. Answer option D, right? Will everyone be able to do like this? Okay, good. So that's how you have to solve the question. Okay, na? Okay, good. So now let us do the next. Okay, So now let us do the next question. What is it? 47 question. So 47 question is what? Tell me now. Let me check once, is it audible? Yes, it's audible, right? Okay. So 47. If a room is 15 meter long, requires 7,500 tiles, each 15 centimeter and 12 centimeter to cover the entire floor. Then the breadth of the room they are asking, right? So here room is 15 meter long. So there are how many tiles? 7,500 tiles. So area of the room will be equal to tiles, number of tiles. So that is total tiles total into one tile area. There are 7,500 tiles. One tile if you multiply with, you will get the full area, right? So into one tile area. Okay. So here, so room length, that is the rectangle, so length into breadth. And here there are how many total tiles? 7,500 tiles into, that is tile area is how much? 15 into 12, that is also length into breadth only, right? So I will write 15 into 12 centimeter. Okay. So this room is 15 meter long. This is in centimeter. This side the tile is in centimeter and the room is in meter. So we have to convert this into meter now. So that is centimeter. So 15 meter means that will become 15 into 100, 1500 centimeter. So length will become 1500 centimeter into breadth is equal to 7,500 into 15 into 12. So if you want to find breadth, you have to divide with the length. So 7,500 into 15 into 12 divided by 1500. Now you cancel it out, you will get the answer, right? So these two zeros cancel. 15 ones are 15. What is remaining now? That is 75 into 12. So 75 into 12 if you do, you will get the answer. How much it is? 12 5s are 60, carry 6, 12 7s are 84, 84 plus 6 90. So 900. 900 means that is in centimeter. So answer will be 9 meter. Option is option A. 9 meter will be the breadth of that room for the 47. Understood? So option A is the correct. Okay. Let's do the 48 question. The sum of the two digits of a number is subtracted from the number, right? Sum of the digits what? Subtracted from the number. The resulting number is always divisible by. So we have studied this question, right? So this is repeated, isn't it? So 48 question, if you see, sum of the digits is subtracted from the digits, it is always divisible by 9. Okay. So let me take the example. So let us take an example of that is 57. So 57 minus sum of the digits 5 plus 7. So 57 minus 5 plus 7, 12. So 57 minus 12 will be 45. So 45 will be divisible by 9, right? So that is why it will always be divisible by 9. This is very repeated question, you remember it. Okay. Okay, good. So now let us do 49. What is the sum of 6.6, 6.06, 6.006 and 66.6006? So directly add it. For adding the decimals, we have to equalize, that is make the decimals in the same place. So that is 6.6 and then 6.06 and then third one is 6.006 and then fourth one is 66.6006. If you add them all, there are missing zeros, you can add them. So here it is 1 0 will come, here 2 zeros, here 3 zeros will come, or you can add directly, it's fine. Okay. So here 0 plus 6 6 and here 6 and here also 6 6 6 12 here and then carry 1 here. How many 6 are there? 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 1 25 here, carry 2, 6 plus 2 8, 85.2666, that is answer is option B, right? Answer is option B for the 49. Okay, okay, good. So that is correct. Very good. Now tell me the answer for 50 question, students. What is the 50 question? So 50 question, writing 0.0725 in the simplest form will result. So that is, we have to convert it into fraction. So 0.0725, there are how many places, decimal places? 4 decimal places. So divide with 4. So 725 divided by 1 2 3 4 zeros, you have to divide. Now for cancellation we can take 25. 25 how much are? 25 4s are 100, 0 0 as it is. Here 25 2s are 50, 22 will be remaining, 25 9s are. So what is the answer here? 29 divided by 400. 29 divided by 400 in the, that is option B for ball, right? Everyone got it? Answer option B for the 50. Okay, good. Now let's do 51, students. What is the 51 question? So the number of 2-digit natural numbers is 2-digit natural numbers. So natural numbers, where it starts? 1 and 2-digit means 99 is the highest natural number. That is 2-digit natural number. So 1 to 99. So to find the total number, numbers, there is a formula. So last number minus first number plus 1 we have to do. Last minus first plus 1. Last minus first, this is T. Last minus first plus 1. So last is 99 minus first one is 1 plus 1. So 99 minus 1 is, that is 98, 98 plus 1 99 only, right? Otherwise 1 minus 1 0. So 99 will be the answer. Option is option D. So last, the number of 2-digit natural number. Oh, I missed it. What did I do? That is, I took 1. It is 2-digit, right? It is 2-digit. It is 2-digit means we have to go from 10. We have to go from 10 here. Okay. If you go from 10, the answer will come as 90. 89 minus 10, that is 99 minus 10, 89. 89 plus 1, 90 answer. So 90 option B. Okay. So answer is option B is the answer here. Okay. Okay, good. So change that. That is B is the answer for the 51. That is, they are asking 2-digit. Okay. So first will be 10, last will be 99. Okay. Okay, good. So remember this, to find the total number, last minus first plus 1. Okay. So let's do now 52. So what is the 52 question here? The prime factorization of 2100. So how do we prime factorize, students? So 2100 means 3 7s are, right? And then 7 hundreds are. And then again we can do with 2 5s are 10 zeros are. And then again we can do with 2 or 5. 5 is easy, 5 10s are. And then 5 2s are, and then 2 1s are. So 2 is how many times? 1 time, 2 time. So 2 into 2, and then 3 is 1 time, and then 5 is how many times? 2 times. So 5 into 5 and into 7. This is the answer. So which is the answer here? So that is answer option C. Answer option C. Or you can directly see the answer and tell the identify. So if you see, 15 is not a prime number. They are asking prime factorization means prime number should be there. 15 is not a prime number, so A is not the answer. And B, 35 is not a prime number, not the answer. And in D, 4 is not a prime number, not the answer. You can do this manner also. Okay. So let us do next 53. So this is the BODMAS we have to solve. Okay. So what is the, so 1 by 13 here. Okay. 1 by 13 bracket means nothing means there will be into. 1 by 13 into in the bracket, okay. So 7 plus, here multiply, 5 2s are 10, 10 11s are how much, 10 11s are 110, so 110 will come, plus, so 13 2s are 26, okay. Now you add it 1 by 13 into, so here 7 plus 1 110 100, that is 17, 117 plus 26, it will be how much, that is 143, so 143 will come as the answer. Now here we have to cancel it, right? So 13 ones are 13, 13 ones are 13, 1 will be 13 ones are 13, so answer will be how much, answer final will be 11 here, answer final will be 11, answer option C, that is 1 11s are 11, answer option C for the 53rd, okay. Okay, good. So everyone, students, like the video and also let me know the answers in the comment. Very good, everyone is typing the answers, okay. Okay, good. Okay, good. So here, students, let us go to the next now, that is 54 question, okay. So what is the 54 question? It is 2 and 1 by 17 divided by 7 by 10 into 1 and 1 by 33. So here first we have to do division, right? So for this we have to change it. So 17 2s are 34, 34 plus 1 35 by 17, and this reciprocal we have to multiply into 10 by 7 into 33, 1s are 33, 33 plus 1 34 by 33 will come. So this is there, right? So I will write once again, so not to confuse you, and we will cancel it out, okay. Okay, so 34 and 33, this is 10, okay. So if you divide it now, cancellation, 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34, right? And then here we can do any cancellation, so that is 7 5s are 35, 7 5s are 35, so what is remaining now? So that is here 33, 33 will not be divisible now, so that is 5 10s are 50, 52s are 100, 100 by 33, 100 by 33, so should I write directly now? That is 100 by 33 means 33 3s are 99, so 1 will be remaining, divided by 33, so 3 and 1 by 33, answer is option A, right? So answer for the 54 is option A, okay. Okay, good. So that's how you have to do. Now let us go to the next here, that is 55 question, okay. So 55 question is what? So which type of angle has been shown in the diagram? So this O angle outside, which is it? It is more than 180 degree, so it we say it as reflex angle, right? So more than 180 means it is a reflex angle, option C. So 56 now. So what is 56? If the HCF of 72 and 80 is 36, then their LCM is, so you can directly do the LCM of 72 and 180, or you can use the formula. So that is LCM is equal to product of two numbers divided by what? HCF. So product is, we can take 72 into 180, there are two numbers, right? Divided by HCF is 36, you can divide with 36. Now if you do the cancellation, 36 2s are 72 and 2 into 180, 18 2s are 36. So 36 means 360 is the answer, option B. So the LCM is 360, answer option B, okay. Okay, good. So that's how you have to do for the 56 question. So let's go to the next, that is 57 question, okay. The smallest 4-digit number when expressed as a product of primes. So what is the smallest 4-digit number? So smallest 4-digit number, okay. smallest 4-digit number is 1000. So 1000 means if you prime factorize that, so what will be the answer? So let us prime factorize that. Okay, so if you see here, divide with 2, 2 5s are 10, 0s are 0, right? So again if you divide with, that is again you can divide with 2, but I will go with 5, it will be easy. 5 tens are, that is 5 1s are 5, 0s are 0. So again we can divide with 5, 2s are, that is 20s are 100, and then 5 4s are, and then 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So here if you see, 2 is how many times? 1 2 3 times. So 2 is 3 times, and 5 is how many times? 1 2 3 times. So 5 into 5 into 5. So we will go, 2 is 3 times, 5 is 3 times. So answer option C will come. Or you can go with options. 8 is not a prime number, so not possible. 4 is not a prime number, not possible. 10 is not a prime number, not possible. So directly in this manner also you should be able to do and identify the answer, right? Very easy. Okay, okay, good. So that's how you have to do 57 question. Okay, now let's do the next, that is 58. Yes, what is the 58 answer? So Hampi Express arrived at Mysore at 9:25 am, late by 2 hours 15 minutes. The scheduled time is. So here it is late means the time is extra, so that we have to remove the extra time, right? So 9:25 it arrived am, in that we have to minus how much late, that is 2 hour 15 minutes. If you minus, so 25 minus 15 minutes, 10 minutes, and then 9 minus 2, 7:10 am. What was the scheduled time? 7:10 am, option A for the 58. Understood? Okay, good. So very easy. Now let us do next, that is 59. The difference between the length and the breadth of a hall is 23 meter. If the perimeter of the floor of the hall is 206, then the area of the floor of hall is, we have to find it. Okay, so let us do 59. So they have given the difference between the length and breadth of the hall. So what is difference means? They are given length is bigger than breadth. So right, so length is bigger than breadth means difference length minus breadth is how much? 23. Okay, na? So they have given one more information, perimeter. Perimeter is 206, right? So perimeter is 206. So perimeter is 206. So that is perimeter means 2 into length plus breadth is 206. If you divide with 2, you will get length plus breadth as 206 divided by 2. So it will be 103. That is 2 ones are 2, and then zeros are 2 3s are 6. So 103 will come. So length plus breadth is 103, and length minus breadth is 23. Okay, so here length plus breadth is 20, that is 103, and then length minus breadth is 23. So what we will do, we'll add them, so that here breadth and minus breadth, it will be 0. We'll add them, we have to add separately. So this side we have to add separately, and the right side also we have to add separately. Okay, okay, so if we will add them, so length plus length, 2 length, and this breadth minus breadth, it will be 0, it will be 0. So this if you add now, so 3 plus 3 6, that is 103 plus 23 will be 126. So 2 length plus 0 means nothing, leave it. So 2 length is 126, 2 times length is 126. So length will be 126 by 2. So 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are, that is 2 3s are 6. So 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. So that is the half of 126. So length is 63, right? So that is meter, 63 meter. Now breadth will be what? breadth will be, we know length minus breadth is 23, or length plus breadth, we know 103. So breadth will be how much? Here you take this one, length plus breadth is 103, in that length is 63, breadth will be 103 minus 63, because you have to minus this length that side. So if you minus, what answer will come? 70, right? Yes, that will be 100, so not 70, sorry. So 103 minus 63, it will be 40. It will be how much? 40 will be the length, that is breadth, sorry, breadth, right? So they are asking the floor area, area of the floor. Area, how do we find? Area will be length into breadth. Length is how much here? That is 63, and breadth here 63, length we got, breadth is 40. So 63 into 40. So 0 will come, 4 if you multiply. 4 3s are 12, carry 1, 4 6 are 24, 24 plus 1, 25. So 2520 meter square will be the area. So option is option B. Okay, this is a little complex, but it is easy only. Okay, so option B is the answer for the 59 question. Okay, now. Okay, good. So now let us go to the next, that is 60 question. Which question? 60 question. So what is the 60 question? A line graph shows the weekly income of a vendor over 5 weeks. Right? So in which week was the income lowest? Which is the lowest here? 100 in the week 1, week 2 is 75, then 125, 60, and then 200. Which is the lowest? So this is the lowest, that is 60 is the lowest. That is in which week? Week 4. So week 4 is the lowest. Answer option D here, right? That is also very easy. So this is how you have to solve the 2022 paper, right? Very easy paper, isn't it? Okay, so that is how we have to solve the questions for this 2022 paper, students. You can go and watch this video again to understand if you are feeling little difficult. Okay, so this is the class 9 of the 45 days Navodaya crash course. So thank you for watching, students. We solved the 2022 paper. You can revise this and watch again, and we will see tomorrow. Bye bye.